Our rural communities make up a massive part of Australia and the Commonwealth Games. Today we're going to meet Denny. He's a discus thrower, a hammer thrower, absolute legend. He was in Rio. Head on a road trip to his local town, meet the parents, maybe throw a bit of discus. What do you like about country life?
I think the simplicity of it, just being so quiet and reserved and just being able to do whatever you want. The biggest turning point for my athletics career when I started to really take it serious was grade 10. So first year I went to Toowoomba Grammar and I said, alright, no more footy, straight to athletics,
yeah,
100%. And then 2 years later I ended up winning World Youth Championships in disc and then bronze in hammer, which no one had ever done before.
This is my favourite one, the Discobus. Obviously famous figure of, it's a statue of art but like representing discus, sorry. And yeah, so mum and dad gave me that after I won World Youth in 2013.
Wow, and that was in Ukraine?
Yep, that was in Ukraine. That was my first at championships I ever won, 2010. 2009 was my first medal at nationals.
St Patrick's down at the local school, and he threw 26 metres with a vortex.
But he was,
I was only like grade 2 or something like that.
He was 8 years old.
a whole new experience for the whole family. You know, he's the first one to reach these sort of levels. We're still trying to take it all in. The whole town's very proud of him. It's pretty exciting stuff.
Here we are.
Oh, I think so.
He is. I love it. You just know everyone now, right?
Toe on the centre line, left toe and then right heel. So when you go to turn, your hips are facing the front of the circle. Boom. Oh, Neil, I think it was further.
You've got a roller. Thanks very much, good
Thanks,
sir.
man. Thanks
good
for coming
luck
out.
in the games.
Thank you.
Smash it.
Cheers, thanks man.